shaking now. Why is it making that movement, bro?
Is that Canadian geese?
What is it doing?
Ew, it dipped its thing in the mud.
What thing?
There goes all the blackbirds.
No, or
I'm gonna go to Dad's car now.
Wait, hold on.
Whoa, look at that fire hawk.
Where?
Look down, look down. Put your phone down. Put your phone down. Look down. Go.
The little bird?
Yeah.
It's a firehawk?
Like, it looks super cool.
I wonder if this guy is the boss of the Canadian geese. Because look, it looks like he's hoarding them.
Mom, I think this was supposed to be a theme
Yeah.
park.
You think it was supposed to be a theme park?
Yeah.
Maybe it's a boy Canadian geese. And it's like doing a mating call? I don't know.
I bet there